Hello, ZapZest buddies. Welcome to ZapZest TV, the coolest spot for all things fun and exciting. Your friendly host, and I'm thrilled to have you here with us today. Cue the confetti because this is the place where imagination comes to life. Whether you're a superhero in training or a princess on a magical adventure, ZapZest TV is your passport to a world of laughter, learning, and endless joy. Parents, thank you for trusting us with your little ones. We've got a fantastic lineup of colorful cartoons and captivating stories designed just for them. Our goal is to create a safe and happy space where imaginations soar and smiles never fade. Now, let's dive into the magical realm of ZapZest TV, where every tale is an adventure waiting to unfold. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, so you never miss out on the fun. And hey, if you enjoy what you see, give us a thumbs up, it really makes our day. Alright, ZapZest buddies, are you ready for a journey of a lifetime? Buckle up, hit play, and let the magic begin. Thanks for joining us.